everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today, let's see how to prepare protein-loaded version of biryani with eggs. Eggs layered in a creamy yogurt spiced with masalas and garnished with crispy golden brown onions. It is none other than super delicious, flavorful and aromatic egg biryani. First, take a deep pot, boil water. Gently drop the eggs in hot water. Boil for 15 minutes and keep it aside. For masala preparation, in a deep bowl, add 8 tablespoons of oil, 5 to 6 tablespoons of ghee. Once it is hot, add thinly sliced onions and fry until they turn dark golden brown in color. Then add 4 green chilies, saute them, add whole spices. Now add turmeric and ginger garlic paste. Saute them until raw smell goes away. Now add 1 cup of cilantro leaves, 1 cup of mint leaves. Fry them. Now add 1 cup of tomato puree. Fry for a few minutes. You can see the oil comes out. Add salt as per your taste. 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Mix the spices. Add half cup of yogurt. This is thick yogurt. And keep mixing for 2 to 3 minutes. Now place the boiled eggs in the prepared mixture. Mix it. Close it with a lid and cook for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, take water, add salt. And once the water is boiled, add soaked basmati rice, 1 tablespoon of oil and cook the rice until it's 70% cooked. You can see in the video the rice grains break. Now strain the water and add the cooked rice to the egg mixture in layers. Spread the fried onions, mint and the coriander leaves. Here I have saffron milk, around 1/4 cup. Add this. Close the lid and cook on low flame for 15 to 20 minutes until the rice is completely cooked. You can see our egg masala biryani is ready to serve. This is a delicious and yummy recipe for all the egg lovers over there. Do try this recipe and let us know how it turns out. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking, Zindagi!